I'm Mike. Today I will demonstrate how to use the new Otofix IM1 to add a key to this 2018 Chevrolet Malibu. This process is called key learning. The IM1 makes key learning so simple that it takes less than 20 minutes. To add a key to this vehicle, we need one working key and one blank key. First, connect the V1 VCI to the vehicle's OBD2 port. A green check mark displays atop the VCI icon on the tablet once the VCI is paired to the tablet. Next, tap IMMO, short for immobilizer. It's important to perform an all-systems scan before attempting any immobilizer and key programming functions to ensure that this and all related systems are code-free. Tap USA and then Chevrolet. Select automatic selection to identify the vehicle. Turn on the ignition. Once ID'd, scan the vehicle. The scan detected no faults, so let's advance to the next step to read the PIN code from the vehicle. Tap Password Reading and follow the on-screen instructions. The tablet reads and saves the PIN. Next, tap Add Smart Key. Carefully read and follow the instructions displayed. As instructed, press the vehicle's start button to turn the ignition on and place a blank key in the center console. The key learning process may take up to 12 minutes to complete. As instructed, turn the vehicle ignition on and off several times. When prompted, turn the vehicle engine on. This step completes the key learning process. A message displays once the process is completed successfully. The tablet will display the current number of keys programmed to this vehicle. At this point, rescan the vehicle to ensure that the vehicle remains code-free. Congratulations, you have successfully learned a new key. For more guides on IM1, check out our other videos on the Otofix YouTube channel. I'm Mike, thank you for watching.